Okay, Wildcat, we're at general page 35, writing a quadratic with 3 points. Steps to write the quadratic given 3 points. Well, when we're given the points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, we use the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals y. Then we substitute x1, y1 to the equation, x2, y2, x3, y3. Step 2, we know that we can write that as ax equals b. And then step 3, we're going to solve for x because we know that x equals a inverse times b. That will give you the a, b, and c values, which will substitute in the equation, and then you'll be able to write a quadratic with 3 points. Okay, so if you would finish up your notes. Okay, now your notes are complete. Let's take a look at the examples. Okay, so first thing first, we want to squared plus bx plus 1c equals y. Okay, we're going to use this to write our quadratic given 3 points. So let's substitute the first point into here. So that's a times 0 squared plus b times 0 plus 1c equals 5. And then let's substitute the second point. So that's a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus 1c equals 1. And then a times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus 1c equals 2. Okay, so now let's write that as ax equals b. So 0 squared is 0, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, and then 0, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1 times ABC equals 5, 1, 2. Okay? Now, we know we can solve for A, B, and C. Because we know the inverse, A inverse times B. So then that's 0, 4, 9, 0, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, inverse times B. Okay, so now we're going to substitute that in our calculator. So we're going to go to on, new document, no, add calculator. We're going to press the matrix button to the right of 9. We want that one. It's a 3 by 3, so now we plug the numbers in. So 0, 4, 9, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. Click to the right, up key to the -1. Click to the right, matrix button again. But this case, it's a 3 by 1. And so then 5, 1, 2. And so we now know that A is 1, B is -4, and C is 5. Okay, so now we're going to use those numbers and substitute into this equation. So that's 1x squared minus 4x plus 5 equals y. And that's how you write an equation, a quadratic function given 3 points. Okay, so go ahead and finish it up. All right, let's take a look at example 2. Okay, so same thing, a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus 1c equals negative 5. A times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus 1c equals 5. And that's a times 4 squared plus b times 4 plus 1c equals 16. Okay, so now let's write our ax equals b. So 1 squared is 1, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, and 1, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1 times ABC equals negative 5, 5, and 16. Okay. Now we know to solve for A, B, and C, we use x equals A inverse B. So A, B, C equals 1, 9, 16, 1, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1 inverse times negative 5, 5, 16. Okay, so now we're going to substitute that in the calculator, or plug it into our calculator. Okay, so on new document, no, add calculator. So matrix button. So 1, 9, 16, 1, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1. Click to the right. Up key, negative 1. Click to the right. Matrix button again. Instead of 3 by 3, it's 3 by 1. And then negative 5, 5, 16. So A equals 2, B equals negative 3, C equals negative 4. Okay? So now our equation is 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals y. And that is how you write a quadratic function given 3 points. Okay? Go ahead and finish up example 2. I'll take a look. So same thing. So then that's a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus 1c equals 3. And then a times 6 squared plus b times 6 plus 1c equals 3. And then a times 8 squared plus b times 8 plus 1c equals negative 3. Okay, now it's going to write ax equals b. So that's 436. And let me double check my calculator. 8 squared is 64. And then 2, 6, 8, 1, 1, 1 times ABC equals 3, 3, negative 3. Okay, so then ABC equals 4, 36, 64, 2, 6, 8, 1, 1, 1 inverse times 3, 3, negative 3. Okay, so now let's plug that into our calculator. Okay, so on, new document, no. Add calculator, so enter 4, 36, 64, 2, because it's 8 there, I don't know what happened there, 2, 6, 8, and then 1, 1, 1, click to the right, up key, negative 1, click to the right, matrix button again, it's a 3 by 1, and then 3, 3, 3, negative 3. So A equals negative 1/2, B equals 4, and C equals negative 3. Okay, so now we're going to write our equation. So negative 1/2 x squared plus 4x minus 3 equals, how you should read. Go ahead and finish it up, start working on your assignment, and have a wonderful Wildcat day.